Okay, so this is the Thicc Boy mini camera strap. Comes in 3 colors: brown, black, and natural. Thought I would quickly open it up and show you how to attach it to the camera. So when you get the strap, this one comes with an extra brass split ring and 2 leather bumpers. So these go on the side of the camera just like that. You don't need them. In fact, in some cases I prefer not to have them. But yeah, if you want, you can put them on. So this is the Thicc Boy Mini. It has a 10 or maybe a 12-inch shoulder pad. Has our Analog Fall brand stamped on it. At the end of the shoulder pad, there's a really nice hand stitch detail. I do that myself. And yeah, solid brass components, solid brass rivet. It is sturdy AF. And so let's put it on. So for these split rings, what I recommend you do is just find the opening, and if you can slip your fingernail inside like that, it actually, oopsies. Oh, never mind. So it slides it right on pretty easily once you get it going. There's one, and boom. There you go. So you have a Thicc leather camera strap. Yeah, this leather might start off feeling a little bit stiff once you get it. It is full grain vegetable tan leather, but it will get very nice and soft as you go. All right, cool. Peace.